So today I'll be showing you how to adjust bass on your Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones. So for this one, you need to download and install the Sound Connect app. So it's available on both the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Okay, so this app right here, Sony Sound Connect. So once the app is installed and set up, you should see your headphones there. And then now you can go to the equalizer on the app. You can tap on that and then it's going to be off by default. So you have several preset custom EQs or preset EQs. So you have hard, soft, game. You can pick any of those, or you can just go to custom and customize your own EQ settings. So once you do that, you can now close, and then now you can tap on this little arrow at the top of the equalizer settings. So you tap on that little arrow, and then that opens up the EQ. So simply tap on this little arrow down here, and then you can see your custom EQ. Tap on the settings icon, and then now bass is normally on the left hand side. So probably the first three options are bass. So if you want to increase bass, you can increase or just play around with the options on the left hand side. Okay, so it's bass, mid-range, and then you go to the highs towards the right. So to adjust bass, either to increase or reduce, just play around with the options at the left hand side. Of course, you need to have the headphones on your head and listening in real time as you adjust these things, so you can hear and just make sure you get exactly the sound or the bass level that you want. And then once you're done, you can tap OK, and that's going to be saved as your custom one EQ setting. So anytime you need to have extra bass or less bass, you just come to the equalizer and then select your custom one. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.